Good Wednesday, everyone. It's already the middle of the week, and I hope your week has gone well. And that if it hasn't, then you've got the rest of this week to make up for it, right? Upper Cumberland Federal Credit Union bringing us our weather headlines. Daily rain and storm chances continue. Monitoring flash flood risk each day, and those risks are higher Friday through Sunday. And we're also keeping an eye on that tropical moisture in the Gulf that we've been watching for the past several days. It continues to gradually organize, and it still could become Dexter before it moves inland tomorrow. But more than likely, it's going to remain just an area of low pressure, and it might become a depression. But regardless, it's still tropical moisture, and it's still going to move our way by the end of the week into the weekend. And so that will increase the risk for showers and thunderstorms. USA mortgage level of concern level 1. That's what we've been the last few days. That's what will be the next several days. The only reason why this might increase to level 2, which would make it a meteorologist mark weather alert day, would be if the flood risk continues to increase for the end of this week into the weekend. So I'll keep an eye on that for you. Clearview Closet and Blind brings us our 5-day forecast. 50-50 shot for an afternoon or evening shower or thunderstorm for today. That was the same as we had yesterday. Didn't see too much activity yesterday around the plateau, but there certainly was some just off to our east, and we even saw some off to our west, and some of you all saw some yesterday. I did see Fentress County get some pretty good showers and thunderstorms in different locations. So that 50-50 shot will be with us again today, and now tomorrow the chance increases to 70%, and that 70% risk stays with us through the weekend. Don't be surprised if the rain chances on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday go up to closer to 90. So I did flirt with that this morning, and I thought, I'm going to hold off because that tropical moisture is going to move north, but we're not exactly sure where the bulk of it is going to go. Like, will it go more over Arkansas and West Tennessee, or is it going to track more eastward over Middle Tennessee and East Tennessee? So if we get more of a glancing blow from the west, then 70% will be definitely valid. But if it decides to move a little farther to the east, and that's unclear at this point, then our rain chances would increase to at least 90% for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So stay tuned for any updates. Right now, it's scattered showers and thunderstorms continuing. That means it's not going to rain all day, everywhere, but it's your scattered showers and thunderstorms. So if you have outdoor plans, make sure you make plans for just in case a thunderstorm moves over your activity. Premier Generators bringing us our threat outlook. And again, so any storm can become severe this time of the year, but we are not expecting widespread severe weather. Tropical moisture, though, from the Gulf will move toward our direction in this week, so that gives me medium concern for some at least localized flash flooding by Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. On this day in weather history, brought to us by Bramall Travel, 1920, a severe hailstorm over parts of Antelope and Boone counties in Nebraska stripped trees of bark and foliage, ruined roofs, and broke nearly every window facing north. 1969, here's a cool one. Apollo 11 launched from NASA's Kennedy Space Center, carrying astronauts Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin, and Michael Collins. The primary mission objective was to fulfill a national goal by President John F. Kennedy to perform a crewed lunar landing and return safely to Earth before the decade was out. And as we'll see in the coming days, we celebrate the landing on the moon. 1980, Crossville's 101 degrees set a record high for July. This was the first time the temperature had officially reached triple digits at Crossville. Glad we're not dealing with that today. You folks have a wonderful Wednesday. Keep looking up. For even more weather information, just go to meteorologistsmart.com.